Hi, I'm Karen, and I'm here to talk a little bit about Seed by Van Lee. I've been taking classes with her for 3 weeks, and it has been the most rewarding experience that I have had, especially during this hard time. Van really gives you the expertise that she has and transforms it to almost a therapy. So this is not your typical cooking class. You will find yourself very comfortable and dealing with pure heart, mind, and soul, with food, with yourself, guided by her, and it just makes a difference. It makes the class so much fun, and you learn different, very healthy options for you and your family, and you end up wanting more, and it keeps getting better.